Hey guys, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. Mail call, and I mean big time mail call. Got a lot in the mail, some gifts and some goodies, and I got a couple of new things for the stash, so I want to share those with you, and we got a lot to look at. Let's do it. Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.com. First up, guys, we got our Salvino Jr. Kit of the Month, and we'll take a look at the freebie decals. If you're a member of the Builders Club, when you get your monthly kit, you also get a club sticker, and this one, I don't have that one. How about that? I take off on the old STP sticker. And the freebie decals are the tracker. And I tell you what, man, these decals are something. This is the Austin Dillon car. That is some vivid color there. And the rest of it. That's a good looking car. So we got us an extra set of decals there on our tracker, and an old school set from the Budweiser, the 11 and 12, and those are the gold foil. If I can get it where it'll reflect there a little bit, the gold foil numbers for the Darrell Waltrip and Neil Bonnet cars. That was always a good looking car, even though I wasn't necessarily a Junior Johnson fan at the time, but gotta admit, they had some great. The chicken and beer car, you got Budweiser and KFC. But freebies, and like I said, if you're a member of the Builders Club, you're going to get these freebies every month in addition to the kit of the month. And the kit of the month for this month is the Ray Elder, who is from the Winston West series fame, 73 Dodge Charger. The Olympia car, and good looking. I have not seen this one yet. I know they did a review, and I think it's molded in the, I'm pretty sure it's molded in the blue. And cool, though. Another nice, that's the 71-72 body that you can see there that he ran in 73. But very cool, very cool. That was the kit of the month. Also, in the mail, we got a package from our good friend Wayne Stevens down in Daytona, Florida. And Wayne, knowing that I am a collector of police patches, and I don't have either one of what he sent. The Daytona Beach Police Department SWAT team patch. How about that? I do not have I got a lot of patches from around Florida, Polk County, Hillsborough County, Miami City, a lot of that stuff all over Florida, but I did not have anything from Daytona. And I can't say that anymore, but is that not cool? And check this out. As part of my challenge coin collection, I've shared a lot of this with you. This is a Daytona. Let's see if I can get it open here a minute so we can kill some of that glare there. This is a Daytona Police Department. Oh, that's beautiful. Daytona Police Department challenge coin. And this is from usually on the back of the division. And this is the 100th anniversary of the motor division, or the motorcycles. So this is from the motor division. And I've got one of these from Knoxville as well. 1925 to 2025. How beautiful is that? Wayne, brother, you the man. I thank you, thank you, thank you. This will go in my collection of challenge coins and my patches. I had a huge thing that you hang on the wall that was just full of patches. Now I have so many I can't even put them anywhere. But Wayne, you the man. Thank you so much. That means a bunch. Also in the mail, a package from our buddy John over at Just Want to Build a Model. And let me tell you guys, this one has got some really cool stuff. Yeah, I got it all. Got some really cool stuff in it. First up, check this out. This is, and when I take this off, these vivid colors, and it's too bad on film you can't really see it, but the fluorescence in these stripes and the lettering and the border numbers, these are absolutely awesome everywhere. And there's your how car looks. And this is the Myers car, by the way. And the painting instructions. This is just cool for days. And this is, check that out. It's got all of your window stuff. But again, that's a good looking race car. And you can't go wrong with these power slide decals either. These things are just top drawer. And something else I'm really excited about is this kind of goodie sheet that he also sent along. Check this out. These are tire and wheel markings from, I think these are from the, trying to think of what seasons. I think it's like from 2022 to 2025. But you've got all of your, and these are in different colors. You've got the yellow, kind of the purple, white, the blue, the left front, left rear, right rear, that stuff, plus your set numbers all the way across. The tire, now let me tell you something, guys. When I was looking at these up close with my magnifier, right down to the smallest of letters and numbers on these Goodyear, it's all very, very clear. I also like for the next-gen cars, the brake rotor covers, the decals there, they look really, really good. Every marking you can think of for the rims and the tires are on this thing. Here you've got the red, the optional lettering. I can't remember what year that was from. And then there's from the 2023 Phoenix, the 75th anniversary. Plenty of those to do a number of sets of tires. And by the way, there's enough to do 8 cars of these rotors. And then you've got the 2022 Darlington Throwback Goodyear Eagles. Then you've got the 2023 Darlington Throwback, and those old school letters. The white, this is for the rain tire apparently. The 2024 Darlington, you see the outline on those. And this I really, really like. The 2025 Darlington 100 anniversary blimp, which you see the Goodyear 100 years and the blimp on there. And then the 2022 through 2025 Coke 600, which is the honor and remember for the veteran. I mean, it's all here, guys. This is some really, really good stuff. I love goodie sheets of all kinds, whether it's numbers, whatever it is. I love these things. John, thank you so much for all you do for our hobby. And guys, if you are a hobby shop or know someone that has a hobby shop or is a vendor of some sort that wants to carry, just want to build a model, get a hold of John on Facebook and become a dealer for him. Hey, you'll not only help him, but you will really sell these things. These are really good quality decals. Good stuff. Next up, let me find my envelope for these. I stopped by Mason's Hot Rods and Hobbies, and I'm jumping off the mail here in a minute. I'm going to come back to it. This morning to pick up something that my buddy Robbie Foster left for me, and I truly appreciate that. He said they had left something at the club meeting last night, which I didn't make, and check it out. I have never built one of these old AMT stock car transporters. I have seen a number of them built. I've always thought they are so cool. Look in the back, ramps. the steps. I mean, I've always thought these things were so cool, but I've never actually built one. I can't say I don't have one, so I can't build it any longer. But always loved all of the shop. You got the drill press there. You got the toolboxes. You got the bottle. Yeah, you got all kinds of stuff in here. And as much as I've done kind of little displays and stuff of late, this is something. And by the way, Robbie is doing in 1/25th scale some tiny homes and trailers and campers type stuff that are absolutely off the hook. They are really something. Robbie, thank you, brother. I appreciate this very much. And I will be going through this because of the weight of it. There's a lot in here, so I'm going to be going through that. Let's see. Also, while I was at the hobby shop, something that just came in. Boom! The 1965 Plymouth Barracuda. Gee, I wonder what I could do with this. Anyway, it might be light blue before long. You never know. But wanted to pick this up. This is one of the Craftsman Plus series. I never thought it was that great looking car, but then you got that hot rod that Petty Enterprises fielded, and I thought, oh, well, got to have one of these for the stash. So scooped one of these up. Very cool. All right, back to the mail call. I'm going to share something with you that'll kind of explain a little bit. For a lot of the themes in Atlanta and other places, I have shown, displayed with some of the cars, my homemade Clay Kemp figure with his Clay Kemp t-shirt on. And I have displayed this with, let's see, I think the Fab Shop car, the Corvette, the Plymouth Prowler. And every time that Clay was with the car, he's a good luck charm. They have won the theme award. Well, for this year, the theme I'm building for Atlanta in the music, cars and music, like Hot Rod Lincoln, the theme. I tried to figure out something, and I got this in the mail today, and I'm going to do some repainting on it. But this is going to be my theme figure for this time. It's got to be redhead, so I'm going to have to go back and do some, do a redhead like Clay there. But this is going to be displayed with my car, Mustang Sally. And there is Mustang Sally. Like I said, I am going to repaint the hair, and I'm going to redo a lot of this stuff. And I have an extra, I think I've got 1 or 2 extra Clay Kemp decals there. So she may have to have a Clay Kemp t-shirt on too. But anyway, that is if I can find that and if it'll fit. But I thought that would be so cool to be Mustang Sally. So she will be by my Mustang. So no, I'll let the cat out of the bag. You know now that my theme car is going to be Mustang Sally, and it will be a zesty redhead. So, but there we go. So the cat's out of the bag on what I'm doing for the theme this time anyway. All right, guys. That is it. Appreciate that. Anything from you, Clay? Hey, he's just the good luck charm. Y'all probably see him back off on the back of the bench every now and then. That's where I've got him standing overseeing me. He's my supervisor. All right, that is it, guys. Appreciate you tagging along on this. God bless. I will see you in the next video. Later, guys.